be able to see those clamp around the base of the payload fair, top of the second stage.
Falcon 9 didn't start up.
At this point in time, the Falcon 9 flight computers now have control of the countdown.
15 seconds. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engines full power. And liftoff of Starlink 5-2. Go Falcon, go Starlink.
Mission coverage.
Falcon 9 is now traveling faster than the speed of sound.
Max Q.
And there, Falcon 9 has reached the maximum dynamic pressure that it will feel during flight. Following along with the telemetry at the bottom left-hand side of your screen, we can see that Falcon 9 is now 36 kilometers above the Earth's surface, quickly gaining.
Go.
Stage separation confirmed.
And back ignition.
Bearing separation confirmed.
Right, and there's our first look of our Starlink satellite payload this evening on there, formerly on the right-hand side of your screen. Right-hand side will be that second stage tracking camera. Left-hand side of your screen will be the first stage. You can just barely make out the lights of the Florida Space Coast there in the top left-hand corner of that left side screen. You can see that altitude is now decreasing rather quickly. That entry burn will help slow that vehicle down. That call out, that burn has begun.
Stage 2 FTS has saved. Stage 1 FTS has saved.
Stage 1, also known as the booster, has ignited the 3 engines to slow it down for that atmospheric re-entry.
Stage 1 landing light deploy. Stage 1 landing is confirmed.
There we can see on the left-hand side of your screen that the first stage has stuck the landing once again.
Shutdown.
Great view from our drone ship just made the instructions. Parked a couple hundred miles off the coast of Florida.
Nominal orbit insertion.
And we also just heard the call out that we have a good orbit for the second stage.